metals are very, very generous. They're so generous because they only have a few valence electrons. And if they could get rid of those valence electrons, that would reveal the noble gas configuration of their core, which is very stable. Metals react by donating electrons. That works out well when there's a non-metal around to receive it, because non-metals are very greedy. But what about if there are no non-metals around? What about if the only neighbors are other metals, as happens in some metal? Well, then what happens is all the metals donate those valence electrons to a communal, what we call sea of delocalized electrons. Now, what's left over when a metal has donated its valence electrons? A positive kernel. It's positive because there are more protons in it than electrons, because the valence electrons have left. So these positive kernels consist of the nucleus and then the core shells of electrons. Positive and negative attract electrostatically. So these positive kernels attract the sea of delocalized electrons. So although these electrons in the sea are free to move to some extent, they're not completely free to leave the metal. They're held inside the metal by this electrostatic attraction between the positive kernels and them. And before we go, have you already liked? Have you subscribed? Have you left me a comment? And please go and visit my website. You'll find a lot of resources there, and they're categorized in a way that will make it very easy for you to find what you need. Until we meet again, learn science!